Hey guys, we're in a 2013 Ford Edge. It's having some issues with their radio. Customer reported that they're hearing a popping sound, as well as nothing is actually working on it. Besides, seems just this one which goes to the settings, but we can't get no sound out of it. Nothing is actually working. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to pull it out, get it repaired, as well as repairing the cluster, because the display, as you can see, is not on. It's bad. So we will be repairing that and the radio as well. Hey guys, we're back in the car. We fixed the cluster as well as the radio. Everything is working there. As you can see, all the buttons are going through the selections, as well as we now have audio. So yeah, everything's fixed and good to go. If you need a repair, send it in.